lovely formulators, I am Elham from Skin Chakra, their place to purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and to learn how to formulate like a cosmetic chemist. And today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, juicy hair sculpting balm with green tea wax and green tea powder. This is a very nice product for styling short hair like mine. It doesn't have the hold of a hair gel, but if you don't like hair gel and you use rather hair mousse, this is the perfect product for you. Apart from styling, it has a nourishing effect on hair and scalp with ingredients such as shea butter, coconut oil, kupuasu butter, squalane, and Lexfil Natural, which adds the shine. It's a natural alternative to silicones, and the green tea wax, which has antioxidant and nourishing properties. Application is quite easy. You take just a little bit of it and warm it between your palms and apply it to towel dry hair, and then you're ready to go. Quite easy to apply. It adds a healthy shine because of Lexfil, not a kind of greasy shine to hair, and it's perfect for styling short hair. As always, all of the ingredients and procedure are on our blog. Gather your ingredients to follow me and accompany me during this tutorial. The solid phase contains coconut oil, kupuasu butter, shea butter, mirica wax, berry wax, and green tea wax. Put phase A, which is your butter and wax phase, in the water bath at around 60-65 degrees. It takes a while till all of the waxes and butters melt. Phase B is your liquid phase. It contains tocopherol as the antioxidant, Lexfil Natural as the natural alternative to silicone oils which add shines to the hair, PCA glyceryl oleate, which is the conditioning and nourishing ingredient, squalane, the nourishing and a little bit of shine ingredient, fenugreek CO2 extract, which is hair nourishing, anti-hair life and scalp care ingredient, and finally rosemary CO2 extract, which is the antioxidant. This phase, the ingredients are blended and then added to phase A when it is melted. The powder phase contains rice starch, which adds texture and reduces greasiness, white clay, which is the star component here for the sculpting and styling effect, oat silk as a nourishing ingredient and adding texture, green tea powder to add a little bit of color to the balm. It doesn't have any specific function here. My solid phase butters and waxes is melted now, and it's about 40-45 degrees. So I'm going to add the liquid phase containing squalane, vitamin E, rosemary extract, fenugreek extract to the melted butter phase. Some of these extracts become semi-solid in winter. So if you are working in a cold lab or in winter, you may need to gently heat this phase as well at around 30 degrees. So I'm blending the two phases. And as it is still liquid, it's starting to solidify, but it's still liquid. I can add my powder phase before it starts solidifying. This is my essential oil phase consisting of petit grain and green mandarin phase, and the temperature is okay for adding the essential oil before I blend the powder phase. And now I will add the powder phase. This is a rather heavy powder formulation, and to blend the powder without any clumps and create a smooth product, I am using a sieve to blend the powder, add the powder into the liquid phase. By the way, we sell this sieve. If you need something like this, you can purchase it directly on our shop. I blend the powder. You can add each powder individually, but I don't see any reason for that. So I blend all of the powders together and then gradually add them to the liquid phase and completely blend after adding each portion. In this way, you avoid any clumps and graininess. The powder easily blends into the liquid without building any clumps, which is very important if you want to have a smooth and non-grainy product with a uniform color. So I'm going to continue this procedure. You shouldn't watch me doing this procedure, and I will show you the final product. So I now have added all of the powder phase to the liquid phase, and you see that the viscosity is increased and it has almost started to solidify. The color is not very pretty now, but it will change as it solidifies and as we start whipping it. The butter was now in the fridge for about 15 minutes, and you see that it has solidified. It is very nice and smooth without any clumps. You can leave it as it is, but I prefer to whip it so that the color becomes a little bit lighter, nicer, and the texture becomes a little bit fluffier. I prefer it that way, but you can choose either way. Leave it as it is or whip it. I am using the Unlucky Kai Blendia for whipping. You can use any other whisk. The color has changed a little bit, but it's not still the texture that I want. I have to repeat this procedure a few times. Putting the butter in the fridge, let it become harder, and then whip it. I will whip the balm for a second round. So this is the texture and the color that I want, and that's okay, and I can feel it now in the jars. The balm is now finished and filled in the jar, and you see how beautiful, fluffy and juicy it is, and the skin feel is absolutely nice. You need just a little bit of it. Warm it between your hands and then apply it to towel dry hair. It adds a kind of healthy shine, not a greasy shine to the hair, and it's perfect for styling short hair. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.